Have you ever wondered why your stomach growls when you are hungry? Well, it's because of this thing called peristalsis. Your stomach and intestines move food, gas, and fluids through rhythmic contractions. Even when empty, your brain signals your digestive system to start these contractions. This mixes up leftover food and air, causing those funny growling noises called borborygmi. It's basically your body's way of saying, "Hey, feed me." So now you know why. Anyways, subscribe for more fun facts like these.